Hi, this is John with WTI. And for training, I used to have a set of sneakers that they were just going to be flat, but at the same time, they were not comfortable at all. And I wanted to get a nice pair of running shoes. And this is where this Adidas sneakers comes into place. And straight ahead, what I like the most, this is dark. Black color, it doesn't get dirty at all. This is like your everyday commute sneakers. Like even if I'm trying to do errands and I'm just trying to be comfortable, these guys here do the job. This is great for running. It's comfortable. The sole is gives you this nice arch that it feels like you're stepping on pillows every time that you're walking or running around. The fit is actually great into the size. I did it with 11.5. That is my standard size, and it fit like a glove. It's great. It's comfortable in all areas, and it's great because I have a wide foot, and the fact that this is not too narrow, it fitted nice for me. So if you're looking for a nice set of running shoes, these Adidas just do a great job. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.